Welcome to English Conversation Practice. Situational conversations. Conversations in a meeting or any general conversation. Situation 1. Hello, how are you? Pretty well, thanks. And you? I'm fine, thanks. It's good to see you again. Situation 2. Where have you been lately? I've been busy with extra work. I've had a lot of work to do too. Yes, I haven't seen you for quite a while either. Situation 3. Hello, how's everything? Fine, thanks. How about you? Just fine. What's new? Nothing much. Situation 4. I am pleased to meet you. The pleasure is mine. I've heard John speak about you often. Only good things, I hope. Situation 5. Look, who's here? Are you surprised to see me? Sure, I thought you were in Europe. I was, but I got back yesterday. I'll close now. See you next time. Bye.